So hey everyone, this is a big change that Apple is making with its upcoming iPhone 14 series. We know that we now have 4 models of iPhone 14 this year, the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Max and the 14 Pro Max. We saw the CAD rendered photos a few days ago as well, however it appears that there are some significant changes in the iPhone 14, particularly in the camera sector. A reliable leaker, Shrimp Apple Pro, has released a huge disclosure, in this instance a photo of apparently all iPhone 14 sizes. The images shows metal models of 4 iPhones with their respective sizes in inches, and there are a few essential points to note. As the labels indicates, there will be two 6.1 inches models and two 6.7 inches models. That's true, the Mini has been replaced with a non-Pro Max. Only the Pro variants, as is history, will include a third camera on the back, a telephoto module. The 14 generations will lack a periscope camera, but it will include an updated primary camera with a 48 megapixel sensor. This should allow for 8K video capture and improved digital zoom. Analyst Ming-Ching Kyo expects that the new sensor will only be available on Pro versions. Let me make it simple. According to the image, these two are iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max since they feature 3 cameras, and these two are iPhone 14 and 14 Max with the same dimensions as the Pro models. If this is correct, Apple has done an excellent job in terms of screen size this time, providing non-Pro models the same screen size as the Pro. The most significant changes this year may be on the front. At the very least, the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max are likely to ditch the notch in favor of twin punch hole design. As we all know, the iPhone 14 and 14 Max are expected to keep the notch, but they should be upgraded to a 120Hz refresh rate at the very least. When it comes to the displays, this year Samsung will reportedly be the exclusive supplier of the 6.1 inches iPhone 14 Pro, with orders for the 6.7 inches Pro Max shared between it and LG. According to another rumor, BOE secured 20 to 25% of orders for the 6.1 inches iPhone 14, with the remaining as well as orders for the 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Max panels being divided between LG and Samsung. Slowly but steadily, the buzz is building around the iPhone 14 series. Let's see what huge news comes next and stay connected with us for the latest updates. So what do you think about these big changes from Apple? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.